Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked on a Bobcat machine, you know how tough and reliable they are. But you also know that when something goes wrong, especially with the newer models, it can be a real headache to figure out exactly what the problem is. You see a warning light, you get a fault code, and you're left guessing, is it a sensor? Is it a wiring issue? Is it a major hydraulic problem? Guesswork costs you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Well, today, we're diving deep into the one tool that takes all that guesswork out of the equation. The Bobcat Service Analyzer, also known as CodeMechanic. This is the official dealer-level diagnostic tool that the pros use. Forget generic scanners that barely scratch the surface. This is the real deal. Designed specifically for Bobcat. It's a full lineup from their legendary skid steer loaders and compact track loaders to mini excavators and even So, what makes this tool so powerful? Let's break it down. First and foremost, it reads and clears fault codes. But it doesn't just give you a generic code number. It provides detailed descriptions of what the code means, helping you pinpoint the root cause of the issue instantly. No more flipping through service manuals or searching forums for hours, trying to decipher what code 52.1 actually means. The analyzer tells you exactly what the machine's computer is seeing, but it goes way beyond just reading codes. This is where the service analyzer truly shines. You can perform live data monitoring. This means you can see what every sensor and switch on the machine is doing in real time. Is that temperature sensor reading correctly? Is the joystick sending the right signals to the control module? You can watch all this data live on your screen as the machine is running, which is incredibly valuable for diagnosing those tricky intermittent problems that only happen under specific conditions. Now, let's talk about the big stuff. Hydraulics and electronic controls. The Bobcat Service Analyzer gives you the power to perform dealer-level diagnostic tests. You can activate solenoids, test hydraulic pressures, and analyze the entire drive system without ever having to tear things apart just to see if a component is working. Imagine being able to test a specific hydraulic function right from your laptop. You can command a valve to open or close and see if it responds. This capability alone can save you countless hours of manual labor and prevent you from replacing parts that are actually faulty. Another massive feature is the ability to calibrate components. After you replace a sensor, a joystick, or a controller, the machine often needs to be calibrated so the new part communicates correctly with the rest of the system. The service analyzer walks you through these calibration procedures, ensuring everything is set to factory specifications. This is crucial for optimal performance and safety. You can even adjust machine parameters and settings that are normally locked, giving you total control. So, who is this for? It's an absolute game changer for independent repair shops, fleet owners, and even serious owner-operators who want to handle their own maintenance and repairs. Instead of being at the mercy of dealer service schedules and costs, you can diagnose and fix issues on your own terms. It empowers you to make informed decisions, order the correct parts the first time, and get your equipment back to work faster than ever before. The investment in a tool like this pays for itself very quickly, just by avoiding one or two major diagnostic fees or incorrect part replacements. In short, the Bobcat Service Analyzer transforms you from a parts changer into a true It's the key to working smarter, not harder, on modern Bobcat machinery. If you're serious about maintaining and repairing these machines efficiently and accurately, this is a must-have tool for your workshop. That's all for today's deep dive. I hope this gave you a clear picture of what the Bobcat Service Analyzer can do. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tool reviews and repair guides. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.